per quarter. The Wall Street Journal declared Tesla will be bankrupt by Christmas. But Elon is the unthinkable. He moved his sleeping bag into the factory. For months, he worked 120-hour weeks. Employees later admitted, "We built cars with hand tools because robots failed." Hedge funds bet $10 billion against Tesla, the biggest short in history. CNBC experts laughed. Electric cars are a fad. Even friends warned Elon, "You'll lose everything." In 2019, Musk risked it all on China's $1.6 billion lifeline. Critics called it a deal with the devil. But within 11 months, Shanghai's factory was pumping out 3,000 cars per week, saving Tesla from collapse. The revenge, 2020 boom. 2020 was the ultimate revenge. While Ford laid off workers, Tesla's stock soared 700%. Short sellers lost $38 billion in 1 year. The same analysts who mocked Elon now begged for interviews. Today, Tesla's building humanoid robots, AI taxis, and Mars rockets. Legacy automakers are scrambling to copy them. The lesson? Disrupt or die.